Hey, if you're interested in learning how to become the top dog in a crowded and expensive marketplace, then this video is for you. Hey, welcome back. My name is Vince Del Monte. I'm an online fitness business coach. I spent the last 10 years helping skinny guys how to build muscle. On this YouTube channel here, I spent 10 years creating videos to help the natural guy build his dream body. And after 10 years of helping people pursue that goal, I'm now on a mission to help fitness experts do what I've done and have more impact, more income, and more independence. So hey, listen, in today's video, I want to just help you with how to stand out. You know, how do you become the top dog? I'm going to assume that whatever space you're in, whether you help people with their relationships or their health and fitness, or you sell money at a discount like I do, you're trying to figure out, how do I gain more visibility, right? You've got the credibility. And I think one of the most frustrating things is having certifications, having a transformation of your own, having knowledge and having a passion, yet nobody knows who you are. Isn't that frustrating? So today I want to give you just one single tip, all right, one thing that you have to wrap your mind around if you want to earn that visibility. Because frankly, and I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but nobody cares how many certifications you have, how much you've invested into your knowledge. Nobody cares how many people you've helped. All they want to know is, can you help them? And you have to realize that most people are not ready to buy right now. And hey, listen, this is not bad news. This is in fact a good thing to know, because it just means that you need to spend more time fostering goodwill, figuring out where they're at, solving their problems in advance, and then letting them decide when they're ready to do business with you. Does that make sense? So what happens is most entrepreneurs, they get into this space, they want to make some money, right? They want to quit their job. And what they do is they create a product, which is great. You're going to need a product. Well, that guy was flying. And then they start pitching, all right? And you can't build a business off of pitching, all right? There will be a small percentage of people that are ready to buy, but the majority of people that are watching your videos, they're not even thinking about buying. They don't even know if they like you. Heck, this might be your first video on this channel. I bet you're not thinking about buying from me right now. Am I right? And that's totally cool. That's why I have to keep showing up, and I need to keep getting to know you, figuring out what you need help with, and then maybe one day, maybe in a month from now, maybe in a year from now, heck, maybe in 10 years from now. I've had people come up to me when I was running my fitness business years later and say, I just bought one of your programs for the first time after watching your YouTube videos for years, all right? So what you need to commit to, I'm going to give you a single tip in just a moment, but the mindset you need is you need to keep planting seeds, all right? You can't expect a harvest without planting a ton of seeds and doing it every day and showing up on a platform where people are searching you out. Now, a lot of people ask me, Vince, what are the best platforms to do this on? There's 3 places. Here, YouTube is the best. All right, if I had to cancel all social media platforms, I could only pursue one, it would be here. The second best one would be a podcast, all right? And then the third best one would be on Facebook, building a group or buying paid traffic to accumulate attention and starting to just do what we're doing here on YouTube, but on Facebook. Does that make sense? So those are the 3 best spots. Instagram I like, but it's just comes and goes, all right? It's hard to create great content and have it live there. Even if it does go viral, it's so short-lived. So I like Instagram for some other things, which we'll talk about in another video. All right, back to our topic today, how to become the top dog in a crowded and expensive marketplace. I'm gonna give you one single tip, all right? And you're gonna wanna write this down, and it's this. Teach, don't tease, all right? Teach, don't tease. A lot of us as experts hold back on our best information, all right, because we're like, I can't give them my best stuff, that's for my paying customers. What if my paying customers see me give this stuff to people that aren't paying? Well, guess what? They don't care, all right, because people who pay more attention, all right? So, hey, listen, I've never had anybody in years say, hey, you're teaching stuff on your YouTube channel that I paid for. In over a decade, nobody has complained. All right, and here's another interesting thing. You could give away your entire paid program on your YouTube channel, in your podcast, via your Instagram stories, in your Facebook group, and guess what? People only remember, get this, 10% of what you say. So even if you were to teach everything, they're gonna forget 90% of it, right? And because they've got no skin in the game watching it as a free user, they don't take the kind of action they need to actually see the true value of your information. Does this make sense? So what I want to encourage you to do is to start pushing the free line. Give away your best stuff for free, all right? If you have a workout program, start giving away the actual workouts from the program like I did with No Nonsense Muscle Building 2.0. In fact, one of the best videos that helped explode sales was one of the workouts right out of the program. And the way I led with the intro is, hey, this is a workout right out of my brand new workout program, No Nonsense Muscle Building 2.0, all right? And people get to see the actual work from the thing they could buy. If you have something of tremendous value and you're struggling to get sales, why not give it for free? It's like a new barber in town, right? He's struggling to get clients because nobody knows him. What's his best strategy? It's, hey, come into the shop and we'll cut your hair for free, right? If you're that good, why wouldn't you lead? All right, you've got all the time in the world. If you don't have money, then you've got to lead with tremendous value. Does this make sense? So this is your first tip. You've got to figure out what your audience is struggling with, and how do you figure that out? So what do you create your content around? Ask your audience, all right? I'm gonna do that in just a moment on this video because we're gonna start uploading more YouTube videos here to help you increase income, impact, and independence. But I wanna know, what are you struggling with? This YouTube channel is not here for me. It's to help you get to where you wanna be. So that's what you gotta do on your IG stories. Use the app where it says, ask me a question, send out an email and say, hey, what's your single most important question when it comes to losing fat or to building muscle, whatever your thing is, and then let them tell you, and then list out all of their problems, and then just create one video per problem. Really simple, right? And then give them something they can taste, something they can try, okay? And that's what I want you to do. I want you to see how I'm giving you a very specific strategy right now. I want you to ask your audience with an email, and the subject line can be, hey, first name, what's your single most important question when it comes to building muscle? Question mark, sign off. See what they say. You're gonna get 10 different ideas. Those now become your videos. All right, you could create a series on your YouTube channel called Ask Whatever Your Name Is, Ask Vince, and then every single video that comes out is just answering your prospects' problems. Does this make sense? Super simple stuff, right? So here's what's gonna happen when you start solving your audience's problems and you stop teasing them and you just tell them exactly what to do. In fitness, what would this look like? Give them a workout. Give them the reps, the sets, the tempo, the rest period. Show them how to contract the muscle. Give them the how-to as well. What if you're in the nutrition space? Give them the recipes. Give them the ingredients. How do you cook it? You know, the order. Show them. Do it with them. Let them feel something. All right, don't hold anything back. All right, today's marketplace is so skeptical, and the number one thing you have to focus on is building trust. People don't want to be toyed with anymore, all right? And if you don't start solving your audience's problems, if you don't take this advice to heart and start thinking about how do I create my content in a way to solve a problem and let people get results in advance, guess what's going to happen? Your competition is going to solve their problems for them, and that person is going to end up doing business with somebody else. So if you don't do this, you're going to miss out on the opportunity to get that visibility, all right, to support your credibility so that more people hear about what you've got. There's like fish or something going on back here. Jumping and going crazy back here, but that's it. Hey, listen, I hope this video was helpful for you. I'd love to know in the comments below what was most insightful for you today. All right, just take a second. Love to know, what did you pull from this video? What are you gonna do next after this video is over? All right, what was the one thing you heard that you're gonna implement right away? And I would love to also know, how can I help you next on this YouTube channel with improving your income, your impact, and your independence? Let me know as well in the comment section below. Hey, I'm Vince Del Monte. If you're ready to grow your own fitness business faster, we've got a little link here, callwithvince.ca, and it's a place where you can go schedule a call with myself or someone from my team. We can brainstorm how to start growing your business faster if you're ready to start moving in that direction. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.